Good morning to all of us. Today we will go to the forest again to help harvest charcoal. So it's morning here and earlier. So I'm going. We will back and return to the forest to help my father to harvest charcoal. In 1 month, we will harvest 2 to 3, but always 2. Walking alone. The real life of the Filipino, like sometimes my father is cultivations. So it's been a while since we arrived today because we didn't cut the road because my partner weigh my son. I have already seen my parents' house on the forest because they have a small house. That small house, they stay there if they make charcoal, and they also stack food if they don't come home to get food because it's really far away. See my mother's coming to get my son. The house, that color blue. Charcoal we will harvest now. They have smoke. So we are here and I'm resting because I'm so tired that my father, mother, sister is not here. They we are here to there to help harvest. So let's eat for what we have to harvest charcoal and choose charcoal finish immediately. So guys, let's eat. Mga na tama?
Di pa.
Masila bagyot may bili ni.
Mga na dun.
Klaro aman di pa na all.
Kana ba ka to? Kana.
Dawan.
Lami among luto kay may sabaw nimo.
Diba?
So,
Init ka ba na?
Sana.
Gusto.
Kita ko likod.
Masa man ni dulang?
kan anak mah. Harang mana?
Lak, wow.
Mana kita minta katong wala ka ba mo dito.
Aman.
Mata kayo ko sarap mo.
Pahilaw na lang.
Baso mo.
Mata mo tagalog. Ga mo matasin ko na lang. Uy. Tulo. Sayo kang nakawin ka sila. Malimpyo ko tindagas.
Ginabot na ko. Di ko na lang
Ang duwa ka kun.
Maldito ni.
Ding.
Masuk ka mo ligid.
Ito ka tinakalaw sa kwarta kalando.
Klaro.
Tigwin taon pa to.
Damo tong sinsiling hati kalando iya. Sama nga. Di mo dole man sinsiling kalando kung kwarta list mo. Rupon yan patok na. Lubo patok sumayo mo dayon.
So, ang koknet, ginaliwat.
Ito kay ikin.
Lagi na niya. Ito may pagtanan sa ako. Ano ba ka? Bruno, bilin di sa diba? Ah, magwalo na halin.
Yung kung na.
Ayo kasuwatan na to.
Bigay labat.
Suwa ka pula, tinula. Sige nga manok, napagagabi diri naon. Basta na tinula.
Ba ko sa mo.
Naman sa puli mo na.
Asam tong.
May man sila di man ingon kuan. Sakto man kuan sa uling. Sila sila manok si kuan pero ko sobra usa. Wala ko nila sobrang hatag nila sa sakit. Ito sa kanto niya. Nasa daan. Una.
I finished eating and I went to church first relax what I eat. Oh, I'm here in this duyan. We call duyan. After I relaxing, I'm going to charcoal.
bata kayo, hindi magkatuloy pitching.
Nga kasama na to harvest.
Yan na bagyat.
Yat na gikaon yat.
Yan na
Kapit awa ko man panagan sila. Ingon ba tao ingon duha ingon.
Father charcoal is a bit far from our house, so let's walk 30 minutes. Ayo ra ay pagsinggit. Git ipakita lang ni. Pakitaan ni, ipakita ni.
Hi guys, for this video guys.
Di aday mi diri karon guys sa bukid, maghaka di mi sa uling karon. Harvest. Harvest at charcoal. Harvesting at charcoal in a bukid.
Pili pa na ninyo.
Aw magpili day. Cut. Cut.
Bukado.
We are here and my sister start trick, and you will see my sister blows the fire. Blows the fire. Iya banggi tapiahan. And look at my father. He
Sige po video ang sila po nagka.
Ay, ka ba niya?
25 lang ha. Tira na po nagka sabay-sabay ko din ha.
Hello. Ha?
Ayaw paglusad kayo na, init kayo.
Dapat ay kayo inimuwa no. Amo.
May CCTV ka.
Ito na nara. Itong pa na papa na ah. Nasa mga katong.
The charcoal is cold. So hot. Let's start. We put the charcoal in the sack. Let's see. If you can really try this, guys, Kandusu and harvest, it's very hot on the face and the smoke is overflows. So who see this video, don't try adult, don't try make a charcoal base because it's really hard and it's hot to our face when the smoke overflows. Yeah, so let's go. But no problem, guys. Let's continue this because it start to care what they call as important to my family's honorable work. Yeah. Let's finish this. It's so very hot when overflows are closed. No, the hot is overheat here. This is the sun to our face. The sun is so hot in our face. The charcoal is big. I'm starting to put into the sack. So we will be finished immediately. Mamatay ka, layo ka dianan te. Dito sa gadagot ang hoy piste. Ibang kawin kinabat, kay magtulog na ko. Ano mo kani, napakutong ka?
Yan na biglang ka no.
Kasi ko kapal din, malangay na ko.
Ano magsubog?
Kada kato yung dokuno yung haligi pinasirkol daw.
Hindi mo nagani sila silang haligi. Pataka man ka di man to hard deflex.
Lagi to hard deflex. Plywood lang.
Kita pa ko ato kay dito ko ato tambay ko dito naguwat kay Sophie.
Sinintong na kay Korpa.
Para astig. Lati pa ni mo safe pero ang ilang atop di na safe ilang atop.
Bungkag na.
Dapat pinaduko ko tug pumayo lang si kuan. Ulay.
Adi ka si Jilin. Nahurot ng load no. Ako ay hatag ni kay budong sako ang kuan niya mo to. Mo to siya. Nangatog number. 16 na. Ito dito na yun. Ako na. Kulit mag nakay dulo day. Waya be, sagay kog number nimo. Inang dito na ko. Okay, tawag do ko no siya.
Yan sana wala ko kanya. Patay na ko inulit ka. Nung tayo bakuhan mato nang tubukot. Yay. Hindi mo ko bakuhan. Siguro na tanong na to.
Pao nga.
Siyara video ha. Ano, so tingnan mo ako mag-break. Yeah. Para iba na ganahan mo ginambalik dire.
Finish.
Ano ba ko na ay.
Okay, guys.
Naangkod.
And this is way we are running out of water, and my mother ordered me to water in the creek, and it's still a long way off. And this is our source of water, so much and very fresh. It's water is flowing. We can also bath here.
Ito ka ron. Tom.
I was done with water, and we were back with my sister and I want back and continue to choose charcoal. We back and continue to choose charcoal.
Nakakaraban ng dapat sa kilid, paano sa pula? Labaw pa doon dito.
Tabang kay ugakan.
Ito sabon. Oh, ay lagi ka karon dili mo kuan man kuan mo. Kamu kuat kita dira.
And we didn't. I guess so. We didn't finish picking the charcoal because it's raining. And there was a little bit. Father said that we were just going to finish it because you were just walk here and we had to go back to reach the night because we were going to walk, and I would end up my video now because I'm going to get ready to go home, and that's all my video for today, and I hope you like my video.